Huh?
Where? Where's that?
You don't see him?
No.
They're over there in the corner.
Where? Oh, sit on the big one.
Yeah. Huh?
A mommy one.
What?
A baby one
Uh-huh.
and a mommy one.
Yeah. You want to get closer to them?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. You like elephants? Yeah. And giraffes. Nah, why do you keep trying to climb on them? You're going to fall back, the elephant's going to pick you up.
Huh?
You better get off of it.
Yeah.
Go.
No, the elephant.
Over here.
No.
Come on, Cecil, get down. Get down.